If your legs feel weak, heavy, or unstable, and you're over 60, this video was made specifically for you. Because what most seniors don't realize is this: weak legs are not just a sign of aging, they are a warning sign, and the right foods can reverse it faster than any supplement on the market. I'm going to show you 7 cheap, easy-to-find foods that actively rebuild leg muscle, restore strength, and help you move with confidence again. Number 4 is the one most seniors have never heard of. Stay with me. Here's what's actually happening inside your legs. After 60, your body loses muscle at an accelerating rate. By 70, up to 20% of your leg muscle is gone. This is called sarcopenia, and it is the #1 reason seniors lose their balance, fall, and lose their independence. But here is what nobody tells you. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. It is not just aging. It is largely driven by what you eat, or more accurately, what you are not eating. Your leg muscles need specific nutrients every single day to maintain and rebuild themselves. Miss those nutrients, and your legs get weaker every week. The good news? Every single food on this list costs under $3, and most of them are already in your local grocery store. Let's start with number 1. Food number 1, eggs. Most people overlook eggs. They seem too simple, too cheap, too ordinary. But the science tells a completely different story. Egg is arguably the most powerful food on this entire list. This is the single most complete muscle-building food on the planet, and it costs almost nothing. Here is why eggs are so powerful for weak legs specifically. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild. But that is not the part most people miss. Eggs are one of the richest sources of leucine, the one amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. That is the biological process that rebuilds your leg muscles. Without enough leucine, your body cannot rebuild muscle, no matter how much you exercise, no matter what else you eat. 2 eggs in the morning gives your legs the exact signal they need to start rebuilding. And the yolk? Do not throw it away. The yolk contains vitamin D, healthy fat, and choline, all critical for muscle function in seniors. Eat 2 whole eggs every morning. Your legs will feel the difference within 2 weeks. Food number 2, sardines. I know. Most people skip right past this one. That is a mistake. A single can of sardines costs under $2. And for rebuilding weak legs after 60, it is one of the most powerful foods you can eat. Here is why. Sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s do something specific for seniors. They directly fight the inflammation that destroys leg muscle. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of sarcopenia. Every day your legs are inflamed. Muscle breaks down faster than it rebuilds. Sardines shut that process down. On top of that, sardines contain calcium, vitamin D, and complete protein. All 3 are essential for leg muscle strength in people over 60. Eat sardines twice a week, on crackers, in a salad, or straight from the can. Your legs do not care how they taste. They care what they do. Who should be careful? Sardines are high in purines. If you have gout or a history of kidney stones, limit intake to once per week and consult your doctor. They are also moderately high in sodium. If you are on a sodium-restricted diet, rinse them with water before eating. Food number 3, sweet potato. This one surprises people because it is a carb, and most seniors have been told to avoid carbs. Here is the truth. Your leg muscles run on glycogen. Glycogen is stored carbohydrate. When glycogen runs low, your muscles fatigue faster, recover slower, and break down more easily. Sweet potato is one of the best glycogen-replenishing foods on the planet. It is low glycemic, meaning it releases energy slowly and steadily without spiking insulin. But here is what makes sweet potato special for legs specifically. It is packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are directly responsible for muscle contraction and nerve signaling in your legs. Low potassium causes muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Low magnesium causes the same. Most seniors over 60 are deficient in both. One medium sweet potato gives you 15% of your daily potassium and 8% of your magnesium every single day. Eat it at lunch or dinner, baked, boiled, or mashed. Simple and powerful. Who should be careful? If you have diabetes or insulin resistance, monitor portion size. 1 medium sweet potato per serving is appropriate. If you have chronic kidney disease, consult your doctor before increasing potassium intake, as impaired kidneys cannot excrete excess potassium efficiently. Food number 4, and this is the one most seniors have never considered for leg strength: cottage cheese. Here is why this one is different from everything else on this list. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, meaning it releases amino acids into your bloodstream for up to 7 hours. Most proteins digest in 1 to 2 hours. Casein keeps feeding your muscles all night long, and here is why that matters for your legs specifically. Your leg muscles do most of their rebuilding while you sleep. That is the window, and casein protein keeps that rebuilding process running for the entire night instead of stopping after 2 hours. No other cheap food does this. Half a cup of cottage cheese before bed gives your legs 7 hours of continuous muscle repair while you sleep. It costs under $2. And it works every single night. Who should be careful? Cottage cheese is moderately high in sodium, approximately 400 milligrams per half cup. If you are on a sodium-restricted diet for hypertension or heart disease, choose low-sodium varieties. If you are lactose intolerant, small amounts are often tolerated as cottage cheese is lower in lactose than milk, but start with a small portion and monitor your response. Food number 5, spinach. This one is not just about protein or amino acids. This one is about something most people completely overlook: blood flow. Spinach is one of the highest natural sources of dietary nitrates on the planet. And nitrates do something remarkable for seniors with weak legs. They convert into nitric oxide inside your body. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels. More blood flow to your legs means more oxygen. More oxygen means more energy. More energy means stronger, less fatigued legs. A study published in the Journal of Physiology found that dietary nitrates improved muscle efficiency in older adults by up to 11%. That is not a small number. That is the difference between legs that give out on stairs and legs that carry you through the day. On top of that, spinach contains iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. All three support muscle function and bone density in seniors. Eat a handful of spinach every day, raw in a salad, cooked with eggs, blended in a smoothie. It does not matter, just eat it. One caution: if you take blood thinners like warfarin, do not suddenly increase your spinach intake. The vitamin K can interfere with your medication. And if you have a history of kidney stones, cook your spinach instead of eating it raw. Cooking reduces oxalates by 30%. Food number 6, full-fat Greek yogurt. Not low-fat, not flavored, full-fat. No added sugar. Here is why this matters for weak legs. Greek yogurt contains more protein per serving than almost any other dairy product. 1 cup gives you 17 to 20 grams of complete protein, but the real power is in the combination. Greek yogurt contains both whey and casein protein. Whey absorbs fast, giving your muscles an immediate hit of amino acids. Casein absorbs slowly, keeping that supply going for hours. That combination is exactly what aging leg muscles need. On top of protein, full-fat Greek yogurt contains probiotics. And new research shows that gut health directly impacts muscle absorption. A healthy gut absorbs more protein. More protein absorbed means more muscle rebuilt. 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt in the morning or after activity. That is all it takes. Who should be careful? If you are lactose intolerant, Greek yogurt is generally better tolerated than regular yogurt due to the straining process that removes much of the whey and lactose. Start with a small amount and assess tolerance. Food number 7, lentils. This is the cheapest food on this entire list. A full bag of lentils costs under $2 and lasts for weeks. And for rebuilding weak legs after 60, lentils are one of the most underrated foods on the planet. Here is why. Lentils contain 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. That is more protein than most people expect from a plant food. But protein is not the main reason lentils are on this list. Lentils are one of the richest sources of folate and iron available, and both of these nutrients are directly linked to leg strength in seniors. Iron carries oxygen to your leg muscles. Low iron means your muscles get less oxygen. Less oxygen means faster fatigue, heavier legs, and slower recovery. Folate supports the production of red blood cells, the vehicles that carry that oxygen. Most seniors over 60 are low in both. 1 cup of lentils 3 times a week rebuilds the exact nutritional foundation your legs need to get strong again. Add them to soups, stews, or eat them as a side dish. Cheap, simple, and powerful. All 7 foods, under $3 each, in every grocery store. No supplements, no complicated programs. Just these 7 foods, consistently, every single week. Start with 2 or 3, build from there. Give it 3 weeks. Your legs will feel the difference, and so will the rest of your body. Now, if this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps more seniors find this information when they need it most. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video like this, subscribe. We publish new senior health research every single week. Practical, science-backed, free. One more thing, rebuilding your legs is only half the equation. The other half, in the foods that are silently destroying your leg muscles every night while you sleep, is just as important. I already made a complete video on exactly that. Foods most seniors eat every day thinking they are healthy. They are not. It is right here. Watch it next, because what you build during the day and what you destroy at night determines everything about how strong your legs will be tomorrow.